Bird traps are devices used to catch birds, often for conservation, research, or hunting purposes. Various types exist, including cage traps and net traps. Some are designed for human capture, while others may pose risks to the birds. Regulations and the ethical consideration are crucial when using bird traps.